Next bolt is in here. That's it. So all 3 bolts are in place. I need to torque those 3 bolts off. Hand tight. Torque this back. I had to eventually use so many extensions just because I can't reach into there. So deep. We gotta make do. Cool. Torque this back. It looks like I just put this in there. So this needs to go under the plate, I believe. Which is a bit tricky because I can't reach under there. Okay. So I need to put that hole in there and the pin through. Hard to say, but it's a bit difficult because it's so tight. Okay, wish me luck. I can't see where that goes. It's really difficult. I'm gonna attack it from above. That's it. Yep, that's a bit. Okay. So 1 bolt in, 2 to go. It should just slot in now. Please fit. Yeah. That. Just need to reconnect this on top. I believe. Back on. Good. So I'm just gonna lift this up. Corksport. put everything back the way I found it. And the typical thing that happens, I have an extra bolt, which I discovered, it goes in there. So this needs to go in there. What about now? Just about. Just in case, let's just tighty this a little bit more. Cool. And we're done. I have now completed the installation of my Corksport short shift plate on my car, and conclusion-wise, I really like the way it improves the feel of your gear changes. It feels quick, tight, efficient, and really engaging, because it saves you a lot of time from going into gear. And when you rev match, it's really cool. Like, it's really satisfying and engaging. It's a worthy upgrade for your car. Issue-wise, the only issue I've had really is me not following the instructions correctly. I should have taken that lower airbox out. It would have made the job a lot easier at the beginning. And the other issue was the ECU holder. It was welded on. I presume it's so you can't tamper with it, but also it didn't have the flange bolts as described in the instruction manual. My car's in the UK, so I don't know if that makes a big difference, but if you have that, from how I did it, you can easily just manipulate the ECU holder. You can move it around and give yourself space, depending if you need to have access on the short shift plate or to install the new bushings. So it wasn't really a big deal. I also installed some new bushings for my transmission shifter underneath here. So it took the rubber out. Now it's just like solid bushing. So it made this even more solid, and it took a bit more slop out of the play. So yeah, it's a really good upgrade. It feels like a brand new car to me, and anyone who buys this product, the shifter plate and the transmission bushings, you will not be disappointed. So yeah, thank you for watching. This video is not meant to be a guide, it's just me documenting how I did my own installation, so you can't hold me liable if you broke your car by following this video. But you know, there's always a risk, so if you do buy it, I hope you enjoy it, because I certainly do. And right, thanks for watching.